Hey guys, want to control your Reolink camera with Google Home or Alexa? It's easier than you think. In this video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process to connect your Reolink camera to Google or Alexa for a smart voice control. So, before starting, make sure that your Reolink camera supports a smart home integration. Only Reolink models with cloud support and the latest firmware can connect to Google Home or Alexa. So you can check the compatibility on Reolink's website. Now, to enable smart home features, you need an active Reolink cloud account. Sign up in the Reolink application and ensure that your camera is linked to this account. Cloud connection is required for Google and Alexa support. Open the Google Home application, tap on the plus to add a new device and select Works with Google. Then search for Reolink's smart home and log in with your Reolink cloud account. Google will automatically find your linked cameras. For Alexa, open the Alexa app and go to Skills and Games. Search for Reolink Smart Home skill and enable it. Then log in with your Reolink cloud account and Alexa will detect your cameras instantly. Once connected, you can assign your Reolink cameras to specific rooms in Google Home or Alexa, and this will help you organize your smart home setup, and this makes voice commands more accurate and convenient. So, you can now control your cameras hands-free. Just say, Alexa, show my front door camera, or hey Google, show backyard camera, to stream the live feeds directly into the smart displays like Echo Show or Google Nest Hub. And if the camera doesn't show up, double check your cloud account, ensure that both apps are updated, and ensure that your Reolink camera is online. A quick reboot often solves most sync issues with smart home devices. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.